Hello, all my dear students. Welcome to Shri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Students, my name is Ajay Gulati. I am your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion, or as we call, quantitative aptitude portion. Dear students, as you can see on the screen bottom side, we will be discussing the chapter trigonometry today in the most easiest manner. So, dear friends, let's start with class 03 for trigonometry. This is going to be a special class because whatever I'll be teaching you in this class will be actually lengthy questions, but you will be able to solve them within a minute, in less than a minute, in less than 30 seconds. There will be three types which I'll be covering. First type, Pythagoras theorem based. First type, okay. Second type will be, second is where you will be given sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, or cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This type of question. Third type will be you will be given a sine theta plus b cos theta is equal to x. This is a like examiner favorite question. These are lengthy questions, but we will discuss some formulas and some concepts which will make these questions very easy. Then we have a cos theta plus b sine theta is equal to y, like this. Okay, so these questions are actually lengthy, but once we apply a few shortcuts, these will become very small. Okay, this is the third type. So we will be discussing all these questions today, and let's start. And let's take the first question. Before taking the first question, this one is easy one. Let me tell you the basics of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I'm deleting this question for a minute, or maybe I can put it at the bottom of this page. Yeah. Now, see how are the Pythagoras theorem formed? We know the property p square plus b square is equal to h square. What are the Pythagoras triplets first of all? If I say 3, if I say one number is 3, then the next number, if p is 3, how can I get the next numbers? What you will do, my dear students, see 3 square is 9. You do the half of 9. Half of 9 is 4.5. You will write 4 and 5. 4.5 means half less than 4, half less than 5. Half less than 4.5, half more than 4.5. If I take the next number 5, 5 square is 12. 12, 5 square is 12. You do the half of 12. Half of 12 is 20. 5 square is 25. You do half of 25, 12.5. That will give you 12 and 13. Very similar to this. This is 7. 7 square is 49. You do the half of 49, that will be 24.5. So you will write 24 and you will write 25. Similarly 9, similarly 11. 9 square 81, half of 81 is 40.5. So you will write 40 and you will write 41. 11 square 121, half of 121 60.5. So you will write 60 and 61. This is for odd triplets. Okay. Second thing is you can multiply these numbers also. If you multiply this by 2, this then also it will remain to be a Pythagoras triplet, like 6, 8, 10. You can multiply this by 3, then also it will remain to be a Pythagoras triplet, like 15, 36, 39. All these are Pythagoras triplets. Getting it? You can multiply this by, you can multiply this by 4. Okay. Then also it will remain to be a Pythagoras triplet, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Clear? Now, one thing, these are related to odd triplets. Now let me talk about even triplets. Let's start with some even numbers. Okay, so how to start with even numbers? Let's say I take a number 4. You have 4, 4 square is how much? I want you to first of all memorize, student, these triplets. These are used very frequently. 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. These are used very frequently. Believe me, 3, 4, 5, it's double, 6, 10. It's triple also. Okay, here I take the triplet of this. If I take the triplet into 3, it will be 9, 12, and 15. P, B, H, like this. P, B, and H. Still it is working. Okay, clear. Next thing. The next thing is, like this is 4. How do half of 4 is 2? Okay, half of 4 is 2. Then you will do 2 square, that is 4. So one more than 4 and one less than 5. One more than 5. Sorry, one more than 4 and one less than 4. Like this. Next number is 8. Half of 6 is 9. Half of 6 is 3. You do 3 square. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9. So one less than 9 and one more than 9. I hope you have got it. I'll do one more, 8. Very, very important one, 8. Half of 8 is 4. Square of 4 is 16. Half then square. Here what you do, half, then you do square, then you do plus minus 1. This is the process. Take any number n, you do half of it, then you do the square of that, then you do plus minus 1. You get two things. 8, half of 8, 4. 4 square, 16. 16 plus minus 1 is 15 and 17. This is a very important Pythagoras triplet. Okay, this is also used frequently, this is also used frequently, and this is used like anything. This you will use like anything, believe me. Okay, then if I take 10, half of 10 is 5. 5 square, 25. So 24 and 26. Okay, got it? Very clear. If you double of this, if you do the double of this, what do you get? Okay, you get this thing only. 10, 24, 26. Same triplet you can obtain by many ways. Getting it, dear students? Same triplet you can obtain by many ways. So you have these few triplets. I want you to memorize them so that you can solve the question at a very rapid pace. Okay. See, let me show you the first question. The first question is tan theta is 3 by 4 and cosine theta is c. You know a Pythagoras triplet 3, 4, 5. I told you this will be used frequently. This is perpendicular, this is base. 3, 4, 5. There is a triplet. So h will be what? H will be 5. Okay. H will be 5. You need cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? H by P. That will be 5 by 3, which is the option. Option 2. You won't have to do many large things, many formulas, just small shortcuts and things will become very easy. Next one. This is the next question now. I told you just a few minutes back a very important triplet. You are given cos theta is equal to 15 by 17. This is base. This is hypotenuse. 15, 17 is included in which triplet? 8, 15, 17. I marked it specifically. Okay. So P will be what? P will be 8. Now what do you require? You require cot 90 minus theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? This is tan theta. Tan theta is what? P by B, or I can say 8 by 15. Do we have any such option? Yes. Option number 2 is our answer. Fine. Next question. We have done this. I'm sorry. And the next one we have is sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 7 by 13. Then the value of sine theta plus cos theta, you have to find this value. Yes, and you can apply a small logic. What is sine theta? Sine theta is p by h, cos theta is b by h. This I can say as p minus b by h is equal to 7 by 13. H is 13. 13 is there in which Pythagoras triplet? You can say 5, 12, and 13. So based on this, I can say this is like 12 minus 5 by 13 is equal to 7 by 13. From here you get this P. P, this becomes P, this becomes B, and this becomes H. Now what is being asked? Sine theta plus cos theta, that is P by H plus B by H. What is P by H? 12 by 13. What is B by H? 7 by 13. Or you can say this is 5 by 13, fine. So this becomes 17 by 13, that is option number 1. You can have a look at this beautiful method if you want. I am staying here for a minute, for a few seconds, so that you can just grasp this one before I proceed ahead. Next one. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 plus root 15, then the value of. See, students, how do you get 2 and 15? Look, there are more triplets. 1 root 2, I want you to memorize few more triplets. 1 root 2 and root 3. 1 root 3 and 2. Another triplet is 1, 2 and root 5. These are also a few very important triplets. P, B and H. Fine. So what do we have now? Sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. So we have 1, 2 and root 5. There is 2, there is root 5. I think this will be this triplet only. Sec theta is what? H by B. Tan theta is what? P by B. I can say this as H plus P by B. I write this term over here, H plus P by B. This is given to you as 2 plus root 5 by 1. So clearly H is equal to root 5. Okay, 2 plus root 5 can be written as 2 plus root 5 by 1. This is 1. This is P. This is H. P is equal to 2. B is equal to 1. What is being asked? Sin theta plus cos theta. Fine. Sin theta is P by H. Cos theta is B by H. You can directly say P plus B by H, that is 2 plus 1 by root 5, or sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 3 by root 5. Option number 1 is the answer, and it must be clear to all my dear students. Okay, fine. You can have a look over it before I proceed further. Let's take the next one. The next question we have is, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. AB is to BC is 2 is to 1. Very similar to the previous question. Look, dear students, let me draw the diagram. Angle B is equal to 90. AB is to BC, like this. Okay, let's say AB is to BC is 2 is to 1. This is AB, this is BC. Just now you studied a Pythagoras triplet, that is 1, 2, and root 5. This thing is 1, this thing is 2. So hypotenuse will be nothing but root 5. You can solve it without actually solving. Now you require sine A plus cot C. Sine A means if this is your theta, sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is 1 upon root 5. Let me write it over here. 1 upon root 5. Cot C. This is angle C. Cot is base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular, that is 1 by 2. So this will give you nothing but 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 root 5. This is your answer. Okay, dear students. I hope it's clear to all of you. Fine, let's move to the next one. You have cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular will directly be 4. You have to find sine theta, sec theta, tan theta. Sine theta is what? Sine theta is P by H. Sec theta is H by B. Tan theta is P by B. H and H cancel, so you get P square by B square, which is what? 4 square by 3 square. Therefore, sine theta sec theta into tan theta is equal to what? 16 is to 9. Which is, do we have any such option? Yes. Option 2 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Look. 7 sine alpha is equal to 24. I can say sine alpha is equal to 24 by 7. That is, although is equal to 24 cos alpha. Okay. So like this, cos alpha. Sine alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha. Tan alpha means P by B. It will be actually P by H, B by H, but H and H cancel. So this gives you 24 and 7. We already know a Pythagoras triplet by 7, 24, 25. Perpendicular base hypotenuse. Okay. P by B is equal to 24 by 7. So P you have 24. This is base and this is the perpendicular. Base you have 7 and H you have 25. Now what is being asked? 14 tunnel minus 75 cos alpha minus 7 sec alpha, that is 14. Tan alpha is P by B minus 75 cos alpha is B by H. Sec alpha is H by B, that is equal to 14 into P by B. minus 17 into B is 7, H is 25 minus 7. H is 25, B is 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 25 cancel with this to give you 3. 7 cancel with this to give you 2. So what is the answer? 2 into 24? 48 minus 21 minus 25. 48 minus 46. The answer is 2. Clear to all? Next one. This is the next one. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. I can say this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, automatically base will be 4. Now you have to find tan theta plus cos theta, cot theta plus cosec theta. Look, tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse divided by cot theta. Cot theta is base by perpendicular. Perpendicular is 3. Cosec theta will be what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Perpendicular is 3. So what do you have in the end? This is like 5 into 3, 15 plus 16 divided by 20. This 3 I will take common. 4 plus 5 is 9, or I can say this is 3. So this will give me what? 15 plus 16 is 31 divided by 20 into 3. These will get multiplied. This will give you 31 by 60, or this is your option number 8. Okay, dear students. Clear? You can have a look before I proceed to the next one. This concept must be clear to all of you. Let's take two more questions on this, then I'll move to the next one. Yes. Sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by root 3. How can I determine this? Sec theta is hypotenuse by base minus perpendicular by base is equal to 1 by root 3. I can say this is B, H minus P is equal to 1 by root 3. Can I say something this one as, can I read as this one as 2 minus 1? Now all the things fall in line. This is H, this is B, and P is 1. So you have got a triplet 1, root 3, and 2. Getting it? Perpendicular base and hypotenuse. What do we require now? Sec theta into tan theta. Sec theta is what? Hypotenuse by base multiplied by perpendicular by base. Hypotenuse is 2. Perpendicular is 1. Base is root 3. Base is root 3. This will give you nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is which option? Option number 1 is the answer. Let's take one more. Yeah. Cos theta, you are being told as P by P square plus Q square. This is like cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse is what? P by under root P square plus Q square. Clearly you see, dear students, h is what actually? H is under root perpendicular square plus base square. So here this p square plus b square, so you can compare this with, see, here you have base is equal to p, hypotenuse is equal to p square plus q square. So what is remaining? That is perpendicular. So your perpendicular is equal to q. Now your question is easy. Tan theta is what? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. That is, you can directly say q by p, which is the option q by p. Option 2 is the answer. I am sure this must be clear to all of you. Fine, dear students. Any doubt so far? Okay, let's proceed towards the next one, next exercise. Before I proceed for the next exercise, let me tell you a little bit of theory for this exercise so that you enjoy the questions, whatever are coming, and you will find them very easy once I discuss this theory with you. Okay. So the next property is, you are being told a sine theta plus b cos theta is equal to, suppose, x. Then you are being told a cos theta minus b sine theta is equal to 1. I want you to learn this result, that a square plus b square, let me write if then. Okay, if this is there, then a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. I want you to learn this. If this is given, then this will be your result. I want you to learn it because it is very important. It is being asked many times in many exams, even in your 10th grade also. Questions come based on this. Okay. Proof also, you can say, let's say this equation is A, this equation is B. Let me just check if all this is visible on screen. Yes, this is visible on screen. A and B. Okay. Let's say this is equation B. Now what will happen if I do A square plus B square like this? This equation A square plus equation B square. Okay. What will happen? It will be like A sine theta plus B cos theta square plus A cos theta minus B sine theta square will be what? X square plus y square. Okay, fine. So this gives me what? Nothing. A square sine square plus B square cos square plus 2AB sine cos plus A square C square plus B square sine square minus 2AB sine cos is what? X square plus y square. Okay, this is 2AB sine cos minus 2AB sine cos cancel. You get A square, then you have sine square with A square cos square. Then you have this B square cos square and you have B square sine square is equal to X square plus Y square. We know sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Therefore, what we get? A square into 1 plus B square into 1 is equal to X square plus Y square, or the direct result A square plus B square is equal to X square plus Y square, which I want you to memorize. I am sure this must be clear to all my dear students. Okay, let's start. You can have a look at it. Let's start with the questions. Let's take the first question for this exercise. The first question itself is very important. You have a sine theta plus b cos theta is equal to c. You have to find a cos theta minus b sine theta is equal to d. I say let assume. Okay. Now by property, now by rule discussed earlier. Earlier means previous heat. I am writing this because you might be, when you get to revise by previous question, by previous proof. Okay. We have a square plus b square is equal to c square plus d square. From here you get a square plus b square minus c square is equal to d square, or d square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. D is equal to what? Plus minus under the root a square plus b square minus c square. This is what d. D is what? D is nothing but a cos theta minus b sine theta. This, which is the option? Option number 2 is your answer. A square plus b square minus c square. Am I clear to all of you? Let's take next question, and we will do it at a very fast speed now because you know what to do directly. You just have to apply some values and you will be able to solve the questions. We are at a very quick pace. So the next question. You have 2 cos theta minus 1 sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. The value of 2 sin theta plus 1 cos theta is equal to x. Here we have what? Here, let's say this value is y. Okay. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by root 2, y you are being asked about. Okay. So we know a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. That is 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 by root 2 square plus y square. 5 square is equal to 1 by 2 plus y square, or y square is equal to, sorry, this is 5. 5 and a half, that is 9 by 2. Okay. From here you get y is equal to 3 upon root 2, or I can say option number 3 is your answer. Fine. Next one. You have x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to 2. X sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to 4. You have to, the elimination of theta from, you have to remove this theta. That is, you have to remove sin theta, cos theta, everyone. So directly what you do using the property, this x square plus y square is equal to 2 square plus 4 square, or I can say x square plus y square is equal to 4 plus 16 is equal to 20, x square plus y square. This is your answer. Option number 1 is the answer. Clear? Next one. We have done this, I'm sorry. Sine theta minus cos theta is equal to half. This means this is 1, this is also 1. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to, let's say this is y, This is again 1, this is again 1. Here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to half, or let's say x is equal to half. This is why you have to determine, okay, by property a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. That is a square is 1 square, b square is 1 square is equal to half square plus y square. 2 is equal to 1 by 4 plus y square. From here I can say y square is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. This means y square is equal to 7 by 4, or y is equal to root 7 by 2, option number 3. Clear? All of you? Fine. Let's proceed for the next one. Yes, this has become a very important question now. I've seen this in many exams. 3 sine theta plus 5 cos theta is equal to 5. 5 sine theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to, let's say, y. What do we need to determine now? Now, by directly a is equal to 3. Okay, you can say b is equal to 5, x is equal to 5. You have to determine y directly by property a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. That is 5 square plus 3 square is equal to again 5 square plus y square. So you get y is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of this expression is nothing but plus minus 3. Fine. Option number 1 is the answer. Next question we have. This time you have a direct question. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to p. A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q. What do you need to do? You need to do directly a square plus b square will be equal to p square plus q square. Nothing can be more easy than this. Clear to you all of my students? Next one. We have done this. I'm leaving this. Next one. We have done a similar question previously also. So we can skip this one, and this is the last one. This has also been done. This is sort of repetition, okay? Okay, right now this is a bit different. We have x is equal to a sine theta minus b cos theta. Y, okay, this is the same one actually, but options are different. A cos theta plus b sine theta. Directly, you will do x square plus y square. The main thing is sine and cos. See, the sine interchange the coefficients. Here it is a, here it is b. The cos, here it is b, here it is a. In between the sign is changed, plus to minus. Will be what? A square plus b square, done. Okay. Clear to all? Fine. So let's start the third concept for the day. The third concept is when you are given sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, or sometimes it is written cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here what do we do? Here what happens is we can say sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Sine theta is equal to cos square theta. Whenever you get this thing, you directly use this. And what you can say is further, that is you have cos square theta, you will replace by sine theta. Okay. Or you can say if you have cos 4 theta is equal to sine theta, sine square theta that way. If you have cos raised to power, suppose 6 theta, you will replace it by sine cube theta. If you have cos raised to power 8 theta, you will replace it by sine 4 theta. Similarly, in such question, you have cos theta is equal to, similarly, you have cos theta is equal to sine square theta. Further, you can say sine square theta is equal to cos theta. Then you can replace sine 4 theta by cos square theta. Okay. Sine 6 theta by cos cube theta. Sine raised to the power 8 theta by cos 4 theta based on this rule, this property. Okay, let's start with the questions. This exercise 2 will be finished very easily, very quickly. You have cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1. You can directly say cos x is equal to sine square x. Now what do you require? You require sine raised to power 12x plus 3 into sine raised to power 10x plus 3 into sine raised to the power 8x plus sine 6x minus 1. This is what you require. Fine. What do? I take sine 6x common. If I take sine 6x common, what am I left with is, I'm left with a sine 6x plus 3 sine 4x plus 3 sine square x plus 1 minus 1. This sine 6x I'll replace as cos cube x. Okay, this becomes cos cube x half the power. Okay, what we do? We do half the power and change sine to cos. Sine to cos. Half the power and change sine to cos. That is 3 cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 1 minus 1. This becomes cos cube x, and this is like, this is nothing but 1 plus cos x cube. 1 plus cos x cube minus 1. Look, now what will happen, dear students, is this you can say whole cube of cos x into 1 plus cos x bracket is closed minus 1. This was actually a bit tough question as compared to what you'll be seeing later on. Cos x 1 plus cos x cube, or cos x plus cos square x cube minus 1. Fine. Next is, I will tell you a shortcut for this also. This is what 1 cos x plus cos square x is 1. This is 1 cube minus 1, or you have this as 0. This is your answer. Which is the option? Option number 3. Okay, option 3. Shortcut. See, what will be the shortcut? Shortcut, or you can say another approach. This is written what? This is actually written sine raised to power 4x plus sine square x cube minus 1. This portion is nothing but sine 4x plus sine square x cube minus 1. I can say sine 4x. Sine 4x will be what? I can say the sine 4x as cos square x. This you can copy sine square x, or you can copy this as cos x. Whatever you may copy, your result will be same. Minus 1. Cos x plus cos square x is 1. 1 cube minus 1 is equal to 0. That is option number 3 is the answer. Option number 3. Am I clear? Next one. The next question we have is, you have sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1 directly. Therefore, you will say sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta or cos square theta. So you can replace this cos square theta directly by sine theta, or cos 4 theta will be what? That will be sine square theta. So you write this as cos square theta. You will write this as sine square theta. This is nothing. This is 1. Am I clear, dear students? Let's take the next one. Similar question. You have, if you have sine A plus sine square A is equal to 1, then what will happen? Cos square A plus cos 4A will automatically be 1. How? Look. From here you can say sine A is equal to cos square A, or you can say sine square A is equal to cos 4A. So this cos 4A you will write as sine square A. This is cos square A. This is nothing but an identity. It will automatically be converted into 1. Okay. The next we have is, now this is again, you can directly say you have sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Both the powers doubled. This power doubled. This power doubled. This will automatically 1. Why? Because this you can write as sine theta. This you can write as sine square theta. This will come over here again and it will be 1. Okay. Getting it? Next one. This is similar to the previous one. You have sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. You have to find cos 12 theta plus 3 cos 10 theta plus 3 cos 8 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 1. How will I do it? Look. See, this thing is nothing. If you look at it carefully, this is actually cos raised to power 4 theta plus cos raised to power 2 theta cube, then this is minus 1. From this equation, I can say sine theta is equal to cos square theta, and if I square both of these, it will become sine square theta is equal to cos raised to power 4 theta. So you can replace this cos 4 theta as sine square theta. I replace this cos 4 as sine square theta plus cos square theta cube minus 1. This expression is already 1. So 1 cube minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now these questions must be looking easy to you. Okay. Next one. Last question of this type and last question of the day. Then I'll assume that you have understood each and everything and you have done sufficient number of questions now. Same actually. You have sine A plus sine square is equal to 1. So that way what will happen? You can just double the power directly. Cos square A plus cos 4A will also be 1. Okay. Which is the option? Option number 4. All questions of this type covered. So my dear friends, I hope this is all for today, and we have discussed all the possible sort of questions based on these exercises. This exercise. With this, I will take your leave, but with a very important message. Students, this is very crucial time of your life. If you won't study now, you will face challenges later on. Don't let this time go wasted. Practice as much as you can, study as much as you can, and secondly, merely watching the videos won't ever help you. Mathematics cannot be practiced, cannot be learned by just watching the video. You will have to jot down each and everything, you will have to write down each and everything, you will have to practice each and every question as many times as you can. Be it, there's no harm in revising mathematics twice or thrice. Believe me, it will give you a good concept, good grip over the concept, and you will be able to solve the questions in very limited amount of time in your exam. Otherwise, you will waste a lot of time while doing solving the questions in your exam. So students, study as much as you can and practice all the questions by writing. Don't hesitate to revise mathematics, don't hesitate to revise any subject. Before moving to the next subject, next chapter, just make sure that whatever you have done in the previous chapter, you have got it very clear. Okay, bye bye, take care.